Hi, I am a sourdough baker and I got gifted this loaf pan from the brand and I am so excited. I have been using the cast iron pots or just regular like loaf pans like you'd make like a loaf of bread in, or like banana bread, like just like the normal aluminum loaf pans, and I'm so excited to finally try a cast iron loaf pan. So I love that it has the base, plus it has the lid. It has plenty of room for the bread to proof and get really big under here. And it is like a pretty hefty unit as well, but I'm so excited to use it. Let me just show you the inside here. So the lid and the base fit together really nicely. There's a nice little lip right here so that they don't slide. It fits perfectly together. They're both white from the inside, has the load of the cast iron showing here. So white from the inside, blue from the outside, and just super great quality feeling, nice and thick, nice and hefty. So I'm so excited to make a loaf in this pan. All right, I just took this out of the oven. I put it in there when I preheated the oven, and now the oven is preheated. So now I took this out and we are going to place our sourdough bread in there. So make sure you always put down some like hot pads and stuff, because you do not want to put hot glass onto cold glass. Here's our sourdough loaf. All right, there you go. And then make sure you're always using your oven gloves, oven mitts. Put this back on, and we will stick it in the oven, and then we will see what it looks like when we take it out. All right, I just took the loaf out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. Super beautiful, nice and brown, really great size. So absolutely love it. This pan did a fantastic job, and the shape is really lovely as well.